Just a quick review about this dryer. Okay, as you see, you get the timer. As you turn it on, it goes to 190. Then it starts back over to 20. Now let's just see, 20. That'd be probably 20 minutes of drying, 40 minutes of drying, 60 minutes, 80 minutes, 100 minutes, 120, 140, 160, 180. Then it goes to 200. So that's how much heat you can let it go and go and go. And that's what I love about it. You just hit the start button and it will begin depending on your time. I mean, I put mine I say 190, in which it was loaded. As you can see, it's pretty fairly deep inside, and that little vent, that little filter there, you just reach in and take the little 4 holes here, take it, turn it like so, just pop it out, and then it's got this little place here. You just peel this off, and let's see if I can do this. Here, hold this. So it catches all the lint, which that's from a lot of towels. It's real thick. That's pretty good. I really like it. Just pop that back on, flip it over, slide your little filter back on there. Follow inside. Just stick it in a little hole and just twist it. Okay. Good to go. And I really enjoy it. And you got this little connection that comes with it, in which I bought the other. When you go to buy the dryer, it'll give you like 3 other things that you can purchase with it. Well, I bought the little kit, like a little aluminum kit. I didn't use the rest of it, but I just took the that plastic tie string, run that hose down in there, and run it over out my vent. Just crammed it inside the vent hose, and that's worked out real well. So I hope this right here helps somebody, because I know it helped me. And good luck on your drying. Thank you.
This is the noise the dryer makes when it's rotating the opposite way. And it constantly does that. That's the kind I do not like. The pros is that it does dry. It has plenty of room in the inside.
I wouldn't buy it. It's not worth the money. I put a pair of jeans in there just now, some socks, and a polo shirt, and it's going to take probably 3.5 hours to dry it. It's the weakest underpower dryer in the world, and I think it's way overpriced. And I've had it for 6 months. It just takes forever to wash clothes. It's like you might as well have like 3 light bulbs and just run the wet clothes all around them for 3-4 hours. It just takes forever, and then the rest of your laundry gets all backed up. So it's nice for the size, but you know, this is on full blast, and it takes forever. It just takes forever to dry a pair of jeans and a polo shirt. Trust me, I wish I bought something else.
Hey guys, I want to share with you this 110 volt compact laundry dryer. It is a 1.5 cubic feet front loader stainless steel tub. You have an easy to control panel on the front of it, and it will fit up to 10 pounds of wet clothing. So when I first got this, the dryer didn't work, so I contacted the support on the back of the user manual to figure out how I can get this fixed. I did not want to ship it. I tried all of the suggested things, made sure that the drum was free and not bound up, made sure that it had power, made sure that it was plugged in, made sure that the door was closed. So all those were a check, 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 and still no, spinning. So I just unboxed this. It was quite frustrating at first, to try and get this figured out. So it does have different heat settings. You can go up to 200 minutes. It has an air dry and a hot and cool dry, and you can turn it to high and low. So you also will need to clean out the filter in the back there. It's not as convenient as the other filters, but it's pretty easy to do, and it will need to be vented if you're using this inside, but if you're using it outside on a balcony or in your backyard or something for whatever, it does work. So the problem ended up being that the belt had come off during transit, and they said just because of the vibration of travel, sometimes how hard they are with the packages, it can come off. So we just had to put it back on and then put the back panel back on, and it worked flawlessly. So it doesn't dry as great as traditional dryers. It does take a little bit longer, but it was, putting out some good heat. And I think it also just depends on what you're drying and how heavy it is as to how quick that's going to work. So with this, I was just doing the high heat setting, and it fit 2 large towels in there and had no issues with it. So overall, we're really happy with it now that we got the drum fixed. I'm glad that the customer service was great. They reached out, they were quick and provided good feedback. They also contacted me after the sale, after seeing my original review, and wanted to know if I wanted a replacement or refund, but I was able to fix it. So overall, a great dryer. I hope you found this helpful. I wish you well and happy shopping. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.
It does come with a hose. It doesn't say that on the details, but it does come with a hose for the window or the vent. And I have a full load in there. There's a lot of lint out of each load. I have this whole basket full and it fits in there. Sometimes it makes some funky noises, but it works great.
See, I got a load in here now. I've got 2 suits of clothes, and let's start it up. Ciao. Come on. And I like that I don't always have to put it on exactly 200 minutes to get it started. Right now I got it on 36 minutes to dry, but I can increase the time. I can pause it. I can easily add 66, 30 minutes. Or if I just need 30 minutes, I can go all the way over, hit start, and go from there. And I don't have to babysit it, you know, and make sure that with other portable dryers, to get it hot, you have to start at least 200 minutes. Not with this one. I can put it on the lowest time and it's still gonna get hot enough to dry. But it's also got the echo if I needed it, which is in the blue. But of course, you can change it and turn it off just like that.
Exact individual support you need from your head to your bed. And now here's where it gets even better. We've all experienced chemical-related sleep interruptions. When you get too hot, you toss and turn, you flip your pillow over to the cool side. Well, all that's gone with my brand new My Pillow 2.0 cooling fabric that's made with temperature-regulating threads.
The best sleep just got even better. Whether you have a My Pillow or not, you need to get the brand new
I really like it, but as you can see, it's not rotating, it's not spinning for some reason. But it's hot, you can feel it, but it's not rotating, not spinning. I'm gonna have to return it, I guess.
That's the noise it makes with laundry in it. I do not think that's what it's supposed to do.